Hey there, fellow appliance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the nitty-gritty of home fixes to save you time and money. Today, we're tackling the E18 error on your Bosch dishwasher from the 2025 models. If you've ever stared at that blinking light wondering what's gone wrong, you're in the right place. This error usually pops up when there's an issue with the water supply or drainage system, which can be a real headache, but don't worry. Most cases are fixable with a few simple steps. First off, let's break down what the E18 error means. In Bosch dishwashers, it typically signals a problem with the water inlet, like low pressure, a faulty valve, or even a kinked hose. It could also relate to the drain pump not working properly, perhaps due to clogs or blockages. The good news is that this isn't always a major repair job. Before you call in a professional, try some DIY troubleshooting. Step 1. Safety first. Turn off your dishwasher and unplug it from the wall to avoid any electrical mishaps. Next, check the water supply hose connected to your machine. Make sure it's not kinked, crushed, or disconnected. If everything looks good there, inspect the filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. Over time, food particles and debris can build up, causing blockages. Remove and clean it thoroughly with warm, soapy water. Now, for the drain system. Look inside the dishwasher tub and clear out any visible obstructions. You might also want to run a cycle with a dishwasher cleaner to flush out hidden grime. Once that's done, plug the machine back in, reset it by pressing the power button for about 10 seconds, and run a test cycle. If the E18 error persists, it could indicate a more serious issue, like a malfunctioning sensor or pump, and that's when you'd want to contact Bosch customer support or a certified technician. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these errors altogether. Clean your filters monthly and check hoses periodically. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. Stay tuned for our next fix, and see you soon.